Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's me Saugat from Techmates. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to download PUBG PC. Search download PUBG PC and then go to gameloop.com and press download. So now this file has been downloaded. What you need to do now is open the file and install it. So now our PUBG is already downloaded. So now the installation process is in action. So now you need to accept the privacy policy and log in as a guest or your Facebook account. So I will log in as a guest right now. Let's go into the game now. Match yourself and then you are ready to play a game of PUBG Mobile. So, I can't wait to get into the plane and go to the battlefield. So this is how you download PUBG Mobile on your PC. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe the channel and keep on watching.